how to send money from Wise to another Wise account. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, we're going to be learning how we can send money from one Wise to another Wise account. So without any further ado and delay, let's get started with today's video. If you want to send money from Wise account to another Wise account, right? It's fairly quite simple to do so. So if you have a Wise account, the other person also has a Wise account and you want to send them money. So once you log into your Wise, just select the amount of money that you'd like to send and to which country you want to send to. Once you select that, just hit the send button. On the next page, you will see and you have to just find out exactly how much the recipient is going to get. You can choose a payment method. So over here, you can just choose any payment method right here. Then once done, just click on the add recipient button. Now under add recipient, you can see it says find on Wise. It says you can search by their Wise tag, email and mobile number, and this process is instant and convenient. So you can just click on find on Wise itself, just enter their email address or phone number or their Wise tag if you know, and you'll be able to enter other details like choosing the information and reviewing and confirming the payment. That's all for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.